Good morning. Thank you for calling HomeNet. How may I help you today?
Good morning. I am Davis. My internet is not working properly. Because of that, I can't attend my online class. I have restarted the router, but the issue continues.
Hi friends, how we can explain a complaint correctly in English. First, you'll state the problem. Then, you'll explain the impact of the problem. And finally, you'll tell them what initial steps you took to overcome the issue by yourself. Now, let's make this clearer with an example. To state the problem, you can say, my internet is not working properly. Because of that, I can't attend my online class. I have restarted the router, but the issue continues. Here, you can see that my internet is not working properly is in the present continuous tense. And if you say my internet does not work properly, it's in the present simple tense. Let's learn when we can use the present continuous tense in this context. If the problem is happening right now, you can use the present continuous tense. When we explore the sentence structure, my internet is the subject, is plus working is the verb. We add not because this is a negative sentence. The format of the present continuous tense is subject plus is or am or are plus the ing form of the verb. We can use the present simple tense if the issue is a permanent one. Here, the verb is does plus work, and the format of the present simple tense is subject plus do or does plus the base form of the verb. The second step is that we have to explain how we are affected by this problem. Because of that, I can attend my outline class. Here, because of that is an adverbial phrase that helps us to tell a reason. Instead of this adverbial phrase, we can try using so, which is a coordinating conjunction. And the sentence will be, my internet is not working properly, so I can't attend my online class. The third step is that we have to tell whether we ourselves attempted any corrective steps. I have restarted the router, but the issue continues. Here, the sentence has I as the subject and have plus past participle as the verb. So the tense we used is a present perfect tense. The format is subject plus has or have plus the past participle of the verb. We can use this tense when an action is completed recently or when a completed action has relevance at the moment of speaking. Dear friends, learning grammar alone won't help you become fluent in English. Join Grammar Guru Speak Smart English membership program. What do you experience there? No live teacher. Daily practice for 3 to 15 minutes. You'll understand spoken English, you'll speak smart English, you'll learn to read English, you'll write better English, and you'll receive simple grammar and vocabulary training. Learn at your own time and speed with a low and reasonable monthly fee and certificates after you pass each level. Remember, only 3 to 15 minutes a day can change your English. Start your 14-day free trial now. Visit www.grammargurubidam.com or click the link in the description box to know more. Thanks a lot for watching the video. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye for now.